Hi, Anna. Are you enjoying your bone that you stole from Bear in the sanctuary of life? It's beautiful. Just beautiful. And there's Tammy and Jordan. They're way over there going in. Whoop, can't see them. There they are. There's Tammy. This is just so beautiful. Tree of Life Sanctuary in Marana, Arizona. I'm talking to a bird. Beautiful fire pit area. And they have all these beautiful animals. There's Bear. Hi, Bear. Hi, Bear. Such a good boy. They have all these beautiful animals and this beautiful enclosure for them. And Mike just built this beautiful ramp. And here's their silkies. And here are the goats. Hi, guys. There's beautiful Tammy feeding the chickens and the ducks. And there's one of the tortoises. I got to feed one of the tortoise. One of the smaller ones came out and he got a banana right there. There he is. So cute. And yeah, it's just beautiful. Just beautiful.